Let's go. Going up a double one, going up. Big stroke, come forward. Go. Going up. Right, let's go. Sit it up. Send it there. Send. Send. Relax there. Good. Right, let's squeeze it up for 5 here now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work, girls. 6. Good. Squeeze there. Send. There. There. Good. Good. You're staying with them, girls. Hang in there. Good. There. There. Good. Let's squeeze for 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes on the horse, Greta. Don't worry about it. Let's go. Swing. You're doing well. Doing really well. Squeeze up again for 5 here on this. 1, 2, 3. Coming into the can. Get ready to turn. And turn. Set, go. Lift. Come on, lift. Little lift here. Use this. Use it. Little lift here. Feel the boat. Feel the boat. Yeah, that's it. There. Use it. Use it. Good. Good work, girls. Little lift here. Little lift. There. Come on. There. Good work. Swing it along. Little lift. There. Dig out there. Spin the hands. Little lift here. It'll pick up again here. Little lift. There. Use it. Use it. Use it. Good work, girls. Good work. Get your eyes on the oil sky. Here it is. Here it is. Good. Good work. Another little lift here. Come on. Not that far away. You're in still in distance. Another little lift here. Here it is. Lift. There. 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 Watch your boy there. Set. Go. Right, use this little lift here. Use this. Come on. Over. There. Get on it. There. Here we go. Use this little run here. Not much here, but use it. Breathe. Breathe. Right, see what you can do with this one. Use this, run this. Come on, run it. Up. Up, into it. Come on, into it. Chase it. Chase it. Chase it. Good work. Chase it. That's it. Good work, girls. One more. Easy all. Well done. Oars across.